Hello, this is Camo Kid 1SS, and the other day I was doing some test videos with my brother Hisatsu 5, and we tested the tip on the Rajah 3, and the tip busted on us. Now that's not to say the tip isn't strong or the knife is inadequate or anything. We were using the knife, actually abusing the knife, and the tip busted, so that's not a very surprising thing. But I just want to go ahead, since we have a busted tip, I wanted to make a video and show how to repair it. This is a Harbor Freight sander. They're relatively cheap, and in my knife shop, it's came in. I've had some good use out of it so far. This is a 40 grit belt. You want some safety glasses, and also you want a cup of water nearby to keep your blade cool. You don't want to overheat your blade. So let's see what we can do with this 40 grit belt. We haven't taken off much material so far, but I just want to go ahead and explain what I'm doing. Basically, I'm just taking metal off the top, and I'm just going to line that up right there, and then we'll have a functional tip again. So we'll probably cut some film so I can repair the knife. As you can see, the size of the chip has already decreased. Let's see if we can go ahead and put a functional point on it now. A little bit smaller. Now we have a point now, but now all we have to do is flatten off the spine so you have a really nice pointer point, I guess. And this will take some time, so we'll come back again. Hey, this is Camo Kid, and I just want to say we just met up the actual tip. So now I've switched from a 40 grit to an 80 grit sandpaper belt, and we'll do some fine tuning and get the point really sharp. And I believe that is a very pointy tip now. This probably took 10 minutes to repair the tip. And if y'all have any questions, feel free to ask me. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video and learned a little bit of something. Thanks for watching, guys.